visualize or picture a dimension or world, whereas your good qualities are seen as bad qualities, and your bad qualities are seen as good qualities, and your good qualities are seen as good and bad qualities, but your bad qualities are seen as good and bad qualities. And imagine a world where you have people that lives within a household. It's normal for a household, the average, imagine the average household being, robbers, killers, drug dealers, police officers, doctors, preachers, teachers, saints and sinners, all living within the same household. Everybody agree with each other's lifestyle, and everybody disagree with each other's lifestyle at the same time. But at the same time too, the society, the normal way of living in society is every kind of way. And all paths lead back to the source, because all paths are existing, or they can be lived only because it's a part of the source. And the source expresses itself in all different forms and all different expressions that's able to be expressed, good and bad. So imagine a society that is normal for unnormal to be normal, and it's unnormal for normal to be normal. Imagine a society where half of the month, 2 weeks out the month, good is bad, and the other 2 weeks that bad is good. And also imagine everything that's for, let's just say for 1 year, everything that's good is bad for this 1 year, and the next year everything that's bad is good, then the next year everything that's good is bad, and then here goes this flip-flop. And this allows people